Moodle can be found by going to pearsecollege.ie and hitting on the Moodle icon. This is not Moodle, but hopefully Moodle will come up now. We'll close that down. Okay, so this is just quite slow. I'm hitting on the Moodle icon. And Moodle comes up now. That was an error. That shouldn't have happened. I'm already logged in. If I didn't, I would have to put my username and password. I'm now going to go to All Courses. I'm going to scroll down and go to Business and Technology. And scroll down and go to Computer Work Skills Advanced. And then click on Professional Presentation. You will see that all the relevant files are there that we have completed so far. I hope you liked this introduction to Moodle.